ready for another video? Your boy's back! Let's go! Let's go. What is up, guys? Welcome back to another video. Welcome back to the channel. It's your boy. My name's Chris. If you're new here, we do Mark 7 GTI content. We do Mark 7 Jetta content. We go fast, have a good time. If that's something that interests you, go down there, hit that subscribe button. You already know. Join the family. We're growing fast. Let's get it. We're almost to 600 subs. Help your boy. Let's grow. Today, we are going back to Cole's house. For those of you who already know, that carbon MK7, the boy, we're going over there, and he's actually hooking me up with a new grill. So we're putting a new grill in the car today, and you're probably gonna rip around with him for a little bit. So we're gonna head over there, get the little install on the grill, because it's the easiest thing on the planet. From afar, looks great, super clean. You get close, I already took this black trim piece off, but you get close, I don't like this. This looks like shit, and I don't know, it just bothers me. If I'm gonna hold on to the grill, because eventually if I body fill that, then I think it'll look better than a badge, but we'll see. For now, we're gonna put the old grill on. We're gonna go do that. Hook link up with the boy. You already know. Hope you guys are having a great day. We're gonna have a good time. Oh, Mustang boy. Silly 5-0. He don't want the smoke. Damn, it is hot out here, brothers. Oh, you mouthy girl. All right, ready? Ready? No scrape? No scrape? I think I figured it out. You go this way. Cut it hard. Hey, let's go! Woo! Let's go, baby! Nothing like a little blow off in the morning, baby. Oh! Dude, I love this thing so much!
Hi, thanks for choosing Duncan. How can I help you? Okay, it'll be $3.18. Come on down.
Sweet, thank you.
You're so welcome.
I'm so welcome. Oh, you boy, you know your boy had to get that coffee, bro. What's up, dude? Oh my God, is that carbon MK7? What's up, bro? What's up, dude? I gotta say hi to the puppers so they stop freaking out. Car parts? Car parts? Oh, new defeat.
You need to get a bigger bucket. That's what you need to do.
Should've just fucking called Gary. He could've came over and changed everything for you. Man gets work done quick.
Yes, sir.
And he gives you a place to stay.
Right.
He's basically a walking garage hotel. Shout out to you, Gary. Oh, no grill? Very nice. Old grill, new grill. Makes me kind of uncomfortable how easy this is. Like 2 screws and you just like doink. Oh, that freshie. Let's go. Yo, I'm a Volkswagen again. Let's go. All right, guys. Today install's over. It's literally 2 screws and it just lifts up. I love it. Ba-boom. Oh, so yeah, got this new custom grill put in. It's really not easy. And today, I'll teach you how to remove a trim piece. Like a glove. Oh, sheesh. Back with the Volkswagen. It literally looks like night and day different, bro. I really hated the whole moon piece. Oh, so much better, dude. Let her eat, baby. Rip, it's so sad to watch. This is some great, like, you know,
Whoever it is, this
you know what I'm saying? This sucks.
Oh yeah, look at all that dirt.
Oh man, this really hurts my feelings.
Oh Lord. Alrighty. What do we got? Crazy packaging.
Yeah, seriously. Yeah, every kind of like anything in here.
I mean, that's good. I mean, it looks
Sender.
pretty simple.
Oh yeah, I'm sure just inserts some hardware and stuff.
Send it.
Oh, let her eat, bud.
And we gotta find some.
Oh.
Just 16%. Come on.
Come on, GoPro. Does look sick though. Looks sharp. Very nice. Very nice. Yeah, today's grill video is proudly sponsored by That Carbon MK7. Hand produced and supplied. Looks so nice. It's like dumb how bad it looks before, and now I didn't even realize it. Because then once I get that bottom grill fixed and that's like a high gloss, it'll look really nice. Shout out to you, Gary. Hope you're watching, buddy. Oh, she looking spicy, bros. Got that new ECS diffuser on. We got the new grill installed. Looking nice. Finally. Then I can get this little grill piece fixed, and then we get the front lip on. Looking nice. Oh, spicy. Oh, the babes. You already know we gotta go get that paper cheese. Let's go. We're just going out of Home Depot, and this old lady was like, "Ah, I forgot my mask." And then she looked at us as we were walking away, and she's like, "Dirty old lady." Oh, it was amazing. Straight chill.
Maybe she watches the channel.
Yep. She's a subscriber, no doubt. No doubt. She was probably, what, 80?
Yeah. It's like that 1% that watch your channel. It's like 80-year-old.
Yeah, exactly.
That's sick.
What's up, brother?
Welcome to Wendy's. What can I get for you?
How you doing? Can I get...
That was medium with a Sprite.
Yes, please.
Hello?
Any paper on the cheese this time? Nice, dude.
Let's go.
Paperless. Let's go. Look at that. That is bussin' per se. God damn, Janelle.
Oh yeah, look at them IU.
Hey.
Hey. Yes, sir. He just got that. Cause he got
Oh yeah,
plate.
just got the temporary tag on it. Let's go.
This dude's busting. Right here. You see him in the Jetta?
That was the most appropriate way to use that I've heard yet. Bro, it's like chilling, but then, you know, then you're bussing. Love it. Ooh.
Hey.
Oh,
What?
oh, I'm filming, but not that way. Damn it. Mark 5 Sugar just went by. Like, really
That was
clean.
sick. Bronze wheels. Oof.
It was on wheels, it had a bunch of carbon on it.
That was sick.
Why have I not seen that? brothers. We just ripped around with Cole for a little bit. We were kind of hooning around trying to find somebody down in left, like rip around with, but there wasn't that many people out. There's a couple goons like out just chilling, but we didn't see any of the homies. All right, so here's the plan. The plan now, I'm not entirely sure. We're gonna run home. We're gonna go see what Meg's up to, and then we might meet up with some people and cruise around. I'm not 100% sure yet, but we'll let you know. Yeah, so we got a lot of new stuff. We got a skirt, lip, taillight tint, and a bunch of other little stuff that we're gonna get the like exterior cleaned up a lot, because Cars and Coffee is also coming up next Sunday, and we will be there at every one of the Cars and Coffee shows. So if you see me at the show, say what's good, please. I like seeing homies, that's sick. But we'll go see what Meg's up to, and then we'll go from there. Oh, looking much better. What are you doing, Go Flam?
Just so everyone knows, I had this thing on my head because it protects my curls, and he walked in to like film, and I was like with a bonnet over my head, so I like ripped it off real quick so he could film.
Camera ready in no time. Hi, Keepy.
You don't want the old one back.
We're out with the boys. Let's go! Hey, bro, is that a Civic?
Wow, it's a Civic.
Oh my God, you got the rims, bro?
Yeah, bro.
Oh shit!
Ice Rocket 2000.
Yo, you got that weight reduction? Damn, drift build. Let's go. We rolling out, brothers. We're meeting up with the boys, going for a little rip. I'm gonna send it. How do you feel about that? Dude, look, just look at it though. all the weight reduction it has done. The hood pins are straight from Japan.
If only that was your rear bumper.
The carbon fiber wrap straight from Japan.
My brakes are so warm.
Straight bussin'.
I don't have ABS.
Sheesh. Tasty. Yeah, yeah. What do you got under the hood, bro? Huh?
Bro, just call it.
You got a 2J in there?
Yeah, bro. 2JZ GTI.
Oh!
Damn.
Oh my God! Damn.
Supra engine.
Oh, what the fuck is on that?
100 horsepower right there, baby. Yeah.
You get revving with us at the stoplight.
Sender.
Oh, what is up, brothers?
Alrighty. Shout out to the homies we just ripped around with.
Fuck you!
We were ripping. All right. We were ripping with the boys, and that is gonna conclude today's video. As always, just keep driving, keep the head straight, clear, happy, keep yourself enhanced. Today was such a good day. I'm feeling great still, as always. I feel like I just drank some coffee because I'm absolutely zooming, and then we're gonna go get some food.
Dude, you need to take it down like
I hope you guys enjoyed. Your boy, we'll catch you in the next one. We're out. Peace!